Hello, my friends. Today we are on WorldWinner. They really went out of the bingo norm in order to create that truly unique name. Today we got something special for you guys because you are the best and you deserve my best. Here we have a 2-card game. I'm going to show you how to rock this Casbah. Let's do it. Alright, so the thing with the 2-card game is this isn't something while you are doing something else. This game gets a little bit crazy and you gotta stay a little bit on your game. So I've got these tabs down here. You can see I've got 2 cards that I have to navigate between. So what I like to do is I like to look at the number that comes down, match it up with the row, of course, by matching the color of the ball that comes down with the color of the row. And then I just get to stay on this one. One thing I found is you don't want to let yourself get behind on the power-ups down there. They can build up pretty fast and it gets a little hectic. See, I shouldn't be doing right now what I'm doing right now because I'm talking, so I'm going to go ahead and get one. 41, 46, 73, they're not always on there. Let's go 73, 46, 41, that's okay. They're not all on there, so you just kind of got to scan. I think it's best to go from one all the way through and then the other all the way through, not back and forth. Oh, alright, let's not let these guys get out of control here. What you'll notice is that, I'm going, I guess, all the way around. That was silly. Okay, let's go back here, 2019. Okay, cool. Alright. You'll notice that one board begins to take shape a little bit over the other one. It's just looking a little better. That's the one that after a while I tend to start focusing on, because I would rather get one of these guys filled out all the way than both of them kind of partially filled out, right? Let's go and get this 34, which you're getting it on both, so make sure you're nice. If you can remember which ones you have on both, it will really aid you, because that one number can turn into 2 different jobs. Keep an eye on the time up there, though I do find this game tends to be pretty forgiving as far as power-ups that give you time bonuses, though not this game. I will say one thing though, I don't know what they're doing with these symbols down there. What does that even mean? Obviously that's the clock, but the star, like the light bulb, what is that? So that's the free dom, that's the where you get to pick one. Do I want this one or that one? You can switch between here. They're both looking pretty even, unfortunately. This is going to be hard to decide, and all this talking and stuff. But I think the number 2 is filled out a little bit more. We're still going to work this one, of course, but there's that one. That's the 3. Okay, let's do this 3 real fast. 28, 40, 42, 28, 40, 42. Okay, there we go. Now you do get a point bonus for getting multiple bingos at one time, so that's why I'm holding off down there. But I do, at the end of the game, have to hit both of these bingo buttons, so don't forget to hit one of the tab's bingo buttons and turn in the bingos on that tab, or else you will waste them and it sucks. 58, okay, let's see, let's get this guy right here. So this one's definitely more filled out. Okay, we've got this. Let's try to get a 10, no, darn. Okay, we'll get the 36, fine. Let's go over here, see if we got one. No, okay, we got 15 seconds left. 47, get that guy. 30, nope. Okay, let's get a 10 here. Let's go ahead and maybe, no, we don't want to dive it yet. We don't need to. We're not in panic mode. We're going to go ahead and get it. Yep, 72 there. We're going to get this here. Okay. Oh, we're going to get this guy. What am I thinking? Going to get that guy and hit the bingo one more time. That's cool. I didn't see what number it was, so I don't know if I could have flashed over to the other tab to see it. Let's see how we did. Like I said, it gets a little bit hectic, but it's hectic for the other person too. So I feel like with a little bit of flexing, you might be able to overcome. And did we overcome by 2 times? Yes, I think we might have, team. Well, that's how you do it. That's the 3rd game in a row that I've just been doing like this, so I thought I would whip it out, show you guys how it's done, because I think that's how it's done. 3 times in a row is saying it anyway. You can see I am clearly been streaking it up. I think I found the secret to the 2-card. I really like the 2-card. At first it was a little chaotic and frenzied, but then I realized so is it for the other person, chaotic and frenzied. So if we can just breathe deep, bring the essence of calm, clear, and dabbing speed and precision to the game, I think that we can overcome. As you can see, we've got 3 in a row saying that 'tis true, my friends, we can indeed. I'm sure I'll lose here, but as I've said in previous videos, and I'll say again, when you're on a streak, keep playing, you're doing great. When you're not on a streak, stop playing, go do something else. You don't have the magic bingo juice today, so go do something else, because the winnings come in groups and the losses hopefully only come in singles if you're smart enough to stop, but it's hard to identify a trend with one, so hopefully they come in pairs, Alright, guys. Well, as always, thanks so much for hanging out with me today. May luck be with you, and please have the best day ever.
And if you like playing games where you can win real money, watch the next video on my channel right here.